Alright, be honest with me now, how often do you click that forget password button? No need to get defensive, I know, I was a password forgetter as well. But after getting a password manager, all of that changed, and these problems, they feel like a distant past. But before I recommend you to follow in my steps, this Proton Pass review is going to help you choose, do you need the full feature experience, or is the limited free version enough for you? But why Proton Pass in the first place? There are many popular password managers, so is Proton Pass safe enough? Well, to be honest, the others straight up don't offer nearly the same security. Proton is fully zero knowledge, so it doesn't know anything about you. They have no access to what you keep in the app, and it encrypts all of the passwords and files you keep in its cloud. The Proton team builds everything with an open source approach in mind. So this is as transparent as it gets in the IT world. There is no shady corporate secrets or unfair practices. I especially like that Proton Pass allows me to escape data-hungry Google and their browser-based password storage. And after grabbing the Proton Pass Unlimited plan, you can ditch Google completely. I mean, you've got Proton Mail, Proton Calendar, and the rest of the Proton apps lineup serving as a way safer alternative. So if that's your plan, which I fully support, you can grab Proton Pass in the description below or through this QR code with a special discount. No need to go for unlimited specifically, any of the plans are just as effective. Not the free plan though. Don't get me wrong, free is always better, but in Proton Pass's case specifically, it has way too many limitations for me. To explain further, Proton Password Manager offers unlimited logins, notes, and credit card storage across unlimited devices. Alright, great flexibility, especially for free. It also works well on any platform from desktop to mobile. Even for free, Proton Pass lets me use a customizable password generator. It will alert me if my passwords are weak or reused. It even lets me create passkeys for accounts that support passwordless login. Plus, I get 10 hide my email aliases. That's Proton Pass's unique way to anonymize me online with a fake persona that doesn't lead to my real identity. Saucy, just like a spy. This sounds really good on the surface, but there are pitfalls. Despite unlimited password storage, only 2 vaults, no proper management and sorting. This means I have to put things that don't belong together. So having my work account next to Netflix, that does not help with procrastination, let me tell you. And when it comes to file storage, the free Password Manager app version, it's only got 1 gigabyte. Alright, that's enough for some files, sure, but nowhere near the 500 gigabyte maximum of the paid plans. There's also no file attachment system or item history. Significantly less convenient overall. But lack of convenience is just a minor downside compared to how Proton Pass just offers way less security for free users. Paid version's Proton Sentinel, for instance, is a high security program utilizing AI and human security expertise to detect malicious login attempts and deny access to users that aren't you. Premium also brings a built-in 2FA authenticator, so instead of using Google's authenticator on your phone, you can use Proton Pass. I also like how Dark Web Monitor allows me to check if any of my passwords appear in data breaches. Free Proton Pass version only has password health check for weak or reused passwords, so I miss the versatility. Without Premium, I also can't designate emergency access for my family members or even securely send and share passwords with other people, even those who are not Proton Pass users. And for advanced users, command line interface support is also a premium only feature. So to summarize, the Proton Pass review, while the free version is convenient for just trying the apps out, I would still recommend Premium to get the optimal security for your passwords and personal data. Especially since Premium has everything to effectively manage passwords and prevent Google from spying on you. It's just worth it. Even more so if you can get a Proton Pass subscription with a discount. And I have just the deal for you in the description below. So don't hesitate to take a look, and I will see you guys in the next one.